Hey Tyler, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I'm reaching out to you today because I noticed you have this new Facebook ad running and that you're a veteran business owner, and we love our veteran business owners. And so I just wanted to reach out and give you a few tips that you could apply right away to start getting more of the organic leads so you don't have to rely on paid leads and advertisements. The first thing to mention is your website should be like your virtual cash machine. Nearly 70% of all your organic leads are going to come from your website. So your website should be properly built and optimized so that you can capture those leads. You have a good basic start to a website. But you're using one of the free Wix websites, so that's actually gonna hurt you a bit. You need to have your own domain, prenkertlawn.com or something like that, or even for the town that you're in, Sawyer Lawn Care, something like that. But you do need to have your own website so that your own domain can start giving you power. The time and length that you've had that domain, the older it gets, the more power it has. So it is really an important key to your strategy. Um, Google does not rank websites based on appearance. It is all based on content. So content is the key to everything, and you're going to have a lot of content. That is, you need 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused around your local buyer intent keywords for the services you're offering. So the various types of lawn care, sod, sprinkler systems, whatever it is that you guys are doing, you should have a home page with a summary of each of those services with local buyer intent keywords. So, lawn care Sawyer or landscaping Sawyer, things of that nature. Um, and so you're going to need 250 words for every keyword you're going to try and target. And then you're going to need a separate page for each individual service that you offer so that you can go after each of the keywords for those services in your location. And then if you're servicing multiple locations, you really should consider having a separate page for every single location. That way you can actually be found organically for every one of these services in all the locations that you can do it in. So it's going to be really, really important to have those pages and content because Google has little robots called crawlers that go and index all your pages looking for original content and keywords so that they can rank you and put you in front of your customers. And that's going to be a huge key for you. And then a website by itself is not enough to be found online. It does need to be supported by search engine optimization. But real quick, let's see. Your top competitor isn't really a competitor at all. It's a competitor for your local keywords for landscaping and Sawyer. You don't have a whole lot of competition in this area, at least for this keyword. So it's going to be super easy to outrank any of these people. This garden center, this is just a blog page. So there's really nothing here to even compare it to. If we look here, this is your SEO. Now, yes, it says that you have a 94, but that's only because you're part of the Wix domain. That has nothing to do with your actual website. So all of these numbers are just because you're part of the Wix domain. None of this is actually helping you. You need a boatload of backlinks and referring domains. A referring domain is any website that will provide a backlink to your website, and the backlink is the physical link coming from another website to your website, and the intention is to drive traffic to it. But not all links are created equal, so you do need to make sure they're authoritative, do follow links, because do follow links will actually share the power of the high ranking sites and help you to rank. Once you do have content and can be indexed for keywords, then you need backlinks to tie to those keywords so that you can rank them to the first page in Google. But as you can see right now, you've got zeros across the board. So no keywords, no traffic, which is why you're having to rely on paid ads. So building a website, optimizing it, and supporting it with SEO, you're going to drive that traffic for all your service areas and be able to capture those and turn them into customers. Looking at Sawyer's Garden Center, they're all zeros as well. The only reason that they are higher organically is because of their links and the power of their website. That's it. So to beat these guys, you need more referring domains. So it's going to be super easy. More content, more referring domains, better keywords, better backlinks. And then the last part of this is your Google My Business. And your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, because 30% of people search right here and don't go anywhere else. And so if you're not listed in the top 3 here, you send all those leads to your competition. So in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, including your website. But the most important is your citations, and that's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing that in a bunch of directories like Yellow Pages, Dex, Glassdoors, LinkedIn, etc. So you need a ton of those. You need more than your competitors. And when you follow all of the tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and in all your service areas using those local buyer intent keywords supported by your SEO. Thank you for watching this video and for serving this country. We really do appreciate and honor our veterans. Would love to get any feedback from you on what you thought of the video. And if you have any questions at all, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.